In front of me is Motorola Moto E32s, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this Motorola. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll down to access Security section. After that, click on Screen Lock under Device Security and pick the best login method for you, pattern, PIN or password. I will go with pattern. Finally, you can create your login method and then tap on Next at the bottom right corner. Then repeat it in order to confirm it. Tap on Confirm at the bottom right corner as well. And click on the best option for you to answer this question. How do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? I don't want any, so I will go with the last option. And tap on Done. So now when I switch off my screen and then switch it back on, icons that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!